And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig unit sent from Nadula Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm just going to briefly go over what came in this package, but I also want to let you guys know that I've already reviewed this wig unit, but this one today is in the ombre chocolate brown, and this is their EasiContour V part wig unit. So let's get into the inside of the wig cap. There's 2 combs placed on the side, 4 combs placed along the parting space. There's also one that's a little further away from the parting as well, that will sit kind of like at the top of your head. And then this wig also has the drawstring, you guys. So this one is a little upgraded. They wanted me to demonstrate like how you're supposed to actually use and tighten it. So you pretty much take the bigger circle to tighten it to your likeness, and I'll talk about that in my hair video. And then you take the smaller one to pretty much secure it. That's it. That's all. I was actually wondering what the little one was there for, but it's pretty much to just keep it in place. So of course, showing you guys the top and also the ombre, and I'll chit chat with you guys in the video. I've already showed you guys the inside of this cap. I did take the elastic band out. I don't think I'm going to need it, especially because I have a low bar right now. So I'm not going to put it in, and I don't have this tightened right now either. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on. As you guys could see, I've already went in and parted my leave out. It is a little damp, you guys. So all you do is literally take the clips and clip it right on in. I feel like clip-ins are very self-explanatory, you guys. So just tuck it into your hair. Is another clip that sits back here, but I want to pull my hair first. Make sure everything is flat. I don't know if I would need this one clipped in. I feel like it would be a little uncomfortable, you guys. So I'm just not going to put it in. Like, I'm going to make sure that this is tightened in the back. So like I said, the elastic band is not needed or necessary for this wig unit because I have a low ball. Now, if you guys have braids, then you probably could use the elastic band. But y'all know, I always say in my hair videos, I don't really use the elastic bands like that. So I'm just going to take this and tighten it because it does have a nice fit. And I'm just taking that flat piece and I'm just making sure that I tighten it as tight as possible. Now, this is definitely something I cannot show on camera, but I'm just making sure that it's really tight around the nape area, and I'm going to take that little piece and make sure that I just secure it, and it has a very nice fit. Take my brush, just brush through the hair, and it does have a really nice snug fit. And this is a really nice color as well for fall. So if you guys are into some color, you should try it out. I'm going to see how this is going to look with my hair. Now, I only have 1B hair. I don't have any bleaching or coloring to my hair at all. So we'll see how it blends in with these brown streaks up here in the front. I don't know why I thought I was getting like a reddish wig. I don't know. I don't remember. But for some reason, I thought it was like a red. But I'm just going to take this out. This is my natural hair. I've been trying to grow it out, you guys. The only reason why I'm doing this hair video is because I'm getting my hair cut for the holidays. So I was like, there's no reason to really get my hair braided down. So that's the only reason why you guys see me doing V-part wig units, because my hair is out. Other than that, my hair would be literally braided down. So yeah, you might see some more natural hair videos from me when it comes to these wigs. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair out, and that's pretty much it. This is my natural hair. Listen, I've been really trying to make sure that I'm like growing out and taking care of my natural hair, you guys. So Color Wow product, and it's the Dream Coat. I know they have one that is like a little bit more protective for your hair, but this is the, I guess, original one. I don't know. This is as straight that I'm going to get it with the blow dryer. And as you guys could probably tell, I need a cut. For the blend, I feel like it has a super nice blend to it when it comes to my natural hair and the hair color. So I guess that's a plus, right? So let's see if it does take some heat or if it will curl.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never hear my thoughts run, oh yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we